Volcano spews red-hot lava in new eruption on volatile Iceland peninsula. A volcano in southwestern Iceland erupted on Thursday, the meteorological office said, spraying red-hot lava and smoke in its sixth outbreak since December. The total length of the fissure was about 3.9 kilometers, 2.42 miles, and had extended by 1.5 kilometers in about 40 minutes, the Icelandic Met Office, which is tasked with monitoring volcanoes, said in a statement. The eruption took place on the Sundnakar crater Rho east of Mountain Sælingafell, partly overlapping the other recent outbreaks on the Reykjanes Peninsula, in a volcanic system which has no central crater but erupts by opening giant cracks in the ground. Studies had shown magma accumulating underground, prompting warnings of new volcanic activity in the area located just south of Iceland's capital, Reykjavik. Volcanic outbreaks in the Reykjanes Peninsula are so-called fissure eruptions, which do not usually disrupt air traffic as they do not cause large explosions or significant dispersal of ash into the stratosphere. Iceland, which is roughly the size of the U.S. state of Kentucky, boasts more than 30 active volcanoes, making the North European island a prime destination for volcano tourism, a niche segment that attracts thrill seekers.